Infinity Trust Mortgage Bank, one of the leading players in the mortgage home industry, took a bold step further in asserting its corporate value in the market, with its listing at the Nigerian Stock Exchange.
Let's give a warm welcome to Infinity Trust Mortgage Bank. The board and management of Infinity Trust Mortgage Bank is here for the listing of their shares, 4.1 billion shares at 1.50 kobo. This is listing by introduction.
We, the staff and management of the Nigerian Stock Exchange and the financial analysts, ladies and gentlemen, and members of the press, I also want to warmly welcome you to this historic occasion. It's historic to Infinity Trust Mortgage Bank. And on behalf of the directors, management and staff of Infinity Trust Mortgage Bank PLC, it is my pleasure to make this briefing, which is on the occasion of this historic listing of our company. It is of note that Infinity Trust Mortgage Bank PLC is the second company to be listed on the browse after the introduction of the world-class exchange trading platform. The company has consistently paid dividends to shareholders for 8 consecutive years. This is a remarkable achievement. This is a remarkable achievement considering the harsh economic environment in an industry where most players have been making losses. Infinity Trust Mortgage Bank PLC currently comfortably features within the top 5 in the industry out of the 108 licensed mortgage banks in Nigeria. We are listing our bank on the Nigerian Stock Exchange because of our desire to create wealth for other investors and to have a wider shareholders base. This will also give us the impetus to access the capital market to raise additional capital when necessary in the future. Our long-term objective is to remain the national leader in the mortgage banking sector and a dominant driver for actualization of the government national housing vision. We will continue to entrench ourselves across the cities of the Federation and provide exceptional services and outreach to our customers, thereby commanding profitable and dominant market share. Our goal is to stay focused on the mortgage business as we anchor our strength to stimulate the growth of the mortgage industry in Nigeria. We therefore call on all discerning investors who seek value addition to take advantage of this unique opportunity to purchase the shares of Infinity Trust Mortgage Bank so they can be part of this success story. Mr. Chairman, thank you very much.
As part of the activities for this epoch-making event for the bank, it performed the ceremonial closing bell ringing for the day.
Well, listing, we started 10 years ago. We've matured now to be known. We've been, all these 10 years, our values has been shared by few people. But listing now will expose us, widen our shareholder space. And again, mortgage bank assets is mortgage assets, which they have for 10 years, 20 years. You agree with me that you cannot keep this loan for that long. You need a vehicle to offload this loan, get liquidity to create more mortgage loans. So coming to exchange is an opportunity for us to get and tap into all the possibilities that entails that we can get in the capital markets.
What are your expectations today, trading by 1 naira 50 kobo?
I was surprised that we can even get as much as that. We just started. So it's the indicators are bright for us.
And then finally, in terms of raising IPO, tell us how you're going to go about that on the board.
That is not immediate. So we're working on the logistics and all the other things we need to put together to that. It might not even be next year, but definitely we're going to issue an IPO.
Thank you very much, sir.